one of our photogs talking about how he's going, and it's expected to be pouring rain. So
yes, Sunday is going to be one of those transition days. I'm going to time it out for you and talk about what to expect, because we're going to have little breaks from the rain in between. In fact, one of those breaks happening right now. We started off with fog this morning, starting to see those clouds part ways, a little bit of sunshine coming through, so our temperatures will gradually warm up. Right now it's 54 in Portland. Wind is nice and calm, dew point sitting at 50. And as we get rid of that fog, your temperatures will move into the upper 50s here in the next couple of hours. By 3-4 o'clock in the afternoon, we'll move into the lower 60s. But about the time that we're reaching our maximum daytime heating, we're not going to be breaking records like we did yesterday. Instead, we're going to bring in that rain right about 4 or 5 o'clock, and that rain will help to moderate our temperatures. So we'll kind of sit at 60 degrees, but 60 plus rain. You don't need those big down jackets. You just need some waterproof gear as you head out tonight. So looking ahead for the weekend, the heavy rain that we're expecting, this is going to be coming from another atmospheric river. Rainfall totals for the valley will be anywhere from 1 to 1.5 inches, but for the coast, that's where you can expect the higher rainfall totals that could be anywhere from 2 to 2.5 inches. So some localized urban flooding possible, really just for those areas where your drainage is poor. If you have lots of leaves covering those gutters, those will be your trouble spots. Let's head up to the mountains right now. Mount Hood Meadows, we're getting our wind speeds anywhere from 20 to 25 miles per hour out of the north. You can see the peak is covered at this point, but with the kind of temperatures that we're expecting this weekend, we won't be dealing with any snow on those mountain passes. We're going to keep it just above the tree line, up to about 7,000 to 8,000 feet. Heading out to Seaside, right now the wind is fairly calm, a temperature of 56, but this is going to be the spot where you start to see those gusty winds developing late tonight through tomorrow morning. Also, a wind advisory will be in effect at that point in the game. Wind gusts could exceed anywhere from 40 to 50 miles per hour. This all associated with the first warm front, which will be showing up for us here later on tonight. Behind that, though, will be a cold front. It's that cold front on Saturday that could help produce a lot of instability and give us our best chance at seeing thunderstorms. Right now, though, we're in the dry phase. That rain showing up for us a little bit later on this afternoon. Looking ahead at our rain chances at the next 6 days, you can see it's mostly a soaker taking us all the way through Monday. Tuesday and Wednesday, we start to transition into some drier weather. But let's time it out for you. Looking at our futurecast, we're all about just partly cloudy to mostly cloudy skies for the early part of the afternoon. And then about the time that you're heading home, 5 o'clock, that's when the rain starts to fill in right along I-5. The heaviest rain located right there along the coast in the yellows and the oranges that you can see. This takes us all the way through tonight, about 8 o'clock in the evening. You'll see those heavier showers moving through the Portland area overnight through early tomorrow morning. Now, if you're heading out the door to do some activities, 8 o'clock in the morning for you Saturday, this is when we're really going to be getting those heavy downpours coming through. And as we start to see the system sag to the southeast, we'll get breaks in between. It's those breaks in between as we get to Saturday afternoon that could provide enough instability, enough daytime heating that we could see those thunderstorms Saturday afternoon. We get a little bit of a break as we go into Sunday. Until the next wave comes through, that'll be Sunday late evening and going into next Monday. So again, rainfall totals will range anywhere from about 1 inch to 1.5 inches for the Portland area. As we wrap it all up going into Sunday night, we could be closer to about almost 1.75 inches. That's some substantial rain in a short amount of time, something we typically get with these atmospheric rivers. Daytime highs won't be in the 60s anymore. We're going to get into the mid-50s next week.
Okay, well, could be worse, right?
It could be.
Sure. Okay, we'll be right back with more news and weather. Stick